Hey everybody, today I've got a 2010 Toyota Highlander. I'm going to show you how to put the rear wiper blade on it. I know you have your new blade and you're trying to figure out how to get it out. You can't get it out, you can't get it out. So what you do is you lift here and here and this black piece pops out. Set that black piece down, then the blade will open up all the way so you can get in here to pop it out. So did you see how I popped that out? So then the new one goes in the same way. It's got a little catch and a rod. It goes this way, so you're gonna flip it as far as you can to get it engaged, and you flip it down and then it engages. Flip it down, put your black clip on, and you're done. So the trick on these is to remove this black plastic piece to get the arm up so you can rotate this blade all the way off. All right, everybody. Just a real quick one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Give me a thumbs up if you like my really quick automotive videos.